Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Valentine and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, I am here in the warehouse. You guys, this is my vendor for roses for Valentine's Day, flowers of any kind, you guys. And this is, in my opinion, the quickest way and the easiest way to get started in street vending, you guys. Get you a wholesale florist, you guys, and start selling flowers. If you can't get started selling gift baskets and you need a quick return on your investment to get started buying inventory, this is the way you want to go. These little cartons here were $25 for 2 dozens, a little over 2 dozens roses. They were $1.15 a piece. So I actually bought 2 boxes of red roses as well as pink roses. And you guys, I realized that wasn't going to be enough, so I actually bought more. And when I tell you, these flowers sold like hotcakes, you guys, because when people cannot find an item or a basket that will suit their loved one, they will quickly decide to get roses. These roses I sold for $45 a dozen, you guys. $45 a dozen. Each rose was $1.15. So yeah, you do the math. So yeah, I just made sure that my roses came with the vase automatically, and here you'll see my cousin preparing the roses when the customers come up. These are my last year's footage of how the roses sale did amazing, you guys. And all else fails, get you some roses. So that's my advice to you guys. It is a super easy way, super quick way to get into street selling so that you can get the feel of what it feels like to vend on the street before you buy a bunch of inventory. This is a great starting place, you guys. Super easy money. You don't have much work to do. Quick return on your investment, and you will get the feel of street vending, you guys. So if you need that vendor information, DM me on Instagram. And until next time, stay crafty.